Hi guy. Today my topic is force. What is the force? A basic question. Okay. I derive the force through the formula. What is the force? F is equal to ma. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay. Now force is an external agent capable of changing a body state of rest or motion. This is the main. Another one, push or pull of an object is considered a force. Push and pull come from the object interacting with one another. The push or pull on an object with mass causes it to change its velocity. Now I denote the force from the F, and mass is m and acceleration is a. So here I denote two type of forces. This is the mass, one mass, this one, another is this one. There the direction of force is this side. Now this is push type of force. Another direction of force is this side. Now this is pull type of force. The direction towards which force is applied is known as the direction of force. It means force required a direction, a unique direction. Otherwise what will happen? If you not apply this force like this, it can't push. Or you applying like this, then your force is zero. It can't move. So this mention there should be a direction. The unit of force is Newton, and the base unit of the force is kg, meter per second square. This one. Force is equal to ma. If mass is a constant, then what we require? Acceleration. Acceleration comes through the velocity. Either it accelerate or here is retardation. Both comes through velocity. If zero velocity, then overall force is zero. No meaning of the force. So force is dependent on two terms. One is mass, another is acceleration. And acceleration comes through this velocity. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, subscribe my channel. Thank you.